Hi, today in front of me Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So now we should tap to open the app. Click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, tap to OK. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the SM models. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.